Hey, so I just wanted to film a quick video on the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Liners. I have three colors here. So I will first of all start off by saying, like everybody's been saying, these are extremely crumbly. Trying to swatch here so I could show you guys the color, and Celebrity Skin's just kind of crumbling on my arm. The thing is, if you go on Beautylish, they have, and that's where I buy my Jeffree Star, because Jeffree Star's cosmetics shipping sucks. Where Beautylish shipping, you get it like the week. If I order Friday, I usually get it Monday, which is dope. So with that, on Beautylish's website, you can actually see on the swatches of the colors, some of them are literally chunky on the website. So I'm like, did he approve those? This is really fucking shitty swatches. Like, it doesn't look appealing at all. I only bought 4 because I figured they're very expensive. Expensive in my opinion. If you're looking for a lip liner, go for like e.l.f. If you're, e.l.f., Essence. I like their lip liners. If you're looking for eyeliner, I like NYX. I like Stargazer. I truly do think he put most of the time into the packaging, and at the end of the day, it's not all that significant because it just looks like the tip of a quill pen. So I don't really see any relevance. So there's Mannequin, Celebrity Skin, Weirdo, and Breakfast at Tiffany's. You guys can go see better swatches on the websites. Beautylish, Jeffree Star, Beauty Bay might have them. I don't know. I don't shop there. They're really crumbly. They're really long lasting. The reason they're really long lasting is because they're so fucking dry. They'll last a long time, but your lips are going to be in absolute agony when you take it off. I wore one day for about, I wore a Mannequin for about 4 hours one day, and I used a Velour lip scrub first, and then I used Burt's Bees lip balm, and that's the lip balm I like because it has a good amount of natural ingredients and humectants. You don't want to use something with too many humectants on your lips because it's different skin than your face. I like the color. I definitely like the color. Mannequin's one of my favorite lip colors from Jeffree, but like, how did he approve this? He talks about like, mama does not play, but like, I think you're playing, girl. Humectants, you don't want to use a lip balm with all humectants because then the moisture doesn't stay. Like, it's not really staying. It just kind of, for a short period of time. That's why when you use a lip balm with all humectants, and you can look for a list of them, that's why you have to use it so much, because your lips are continuously getting dry. Anyway, that's for another video. However, I used Burt's Bees, and then I dabbed it off. I put Mannequin. This is the same routine that I have every time I wear lip liner. I don't wear lip liner that much because I don't find it necessary. I don't like a stark lip line. I like my lips to look soft, and like my lip color personally is not very drastic. Like, it kind of fades out. So I kind of like my lips to be just like, chuck on a lipstick and go, you know? Anyway, I don't like to take lip liners too much, but when I do, I want to take a lip liner, and I want it to be good. And this to me is more of a display piece, honestly. When I got these, I was like, oh, I'll just display them in the usual fashion that I have, which is mug that has like a cute saying on it. But I don't like these so much that all they're going to be used for display, all they're going to be used for now is display. So I bought an eyeliner display. So, because I'm thinking to myself, like, hey, I need to get like full use out of them. And I don't just want them to sit in my mug and not be like fully on display. If they were like good and I was continuously sharpening them and they were going down and down and down, it wouldn't be a big deal because I'd be getting used to them. They wouldn't be going on display. But because they're not going to go down and they're just going to fucking sit there and collect dust, I need them on display because they are pretty. I just don't think they're, like, everybody was gagged over these and they're like, looks like a quill pen tip. Really dry, really crumbly. I had to sharpen more than once when doing my lips, and I don't have exorbitantly large lips at all. So I personally don't like them. I feel like he's kind of been sleeping lately, but whatever, shit happens, you know? So, oh, they're really nice in the waterline. I can say that. I liked the blue in the waterline, but it was very like tightening. You could feel it. It wasn't like you couldn't feel it. But I did like the blue and the black in the waterline. The blue, like, a part crumbled in my eye, and I was just like, oh my god, my eye's watering. It was a fucking mess. Anyway, there's not much more else I could say. Not the biggest fan. Too expensive for what they're worth. You're paying for the packaging. And I think he's thinking now, like, you're gonna start paying for his name. That's just me. Anyway, have a great day. Bye.